Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to unhide sheet tabs in case you have mistakenly hidden it. I'll show you different methods to hide or unhide sheet tabs in Excel. So let's get started. First, we'll look at the manual method. This works well when you have just a few sheets. So here we can say sheet 1 and sheet 4. The intermediate sheets are hidden. To unhide them, right click on any sheet and select unhide. In the Unhide box, you can select which hidden sheet you want to display. Select the sheet and click on OK. Besides the right-click contextual menu, the Unhide dialog box can be accessed from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab and then in the Cell group, click on Format. Here you'll find Hide or Unhide under Visibility. To unhide sheet, click on Unhide sheet. Here in the Unhide box, select the sheet you want to display and click on OK. In situations when you have multiple hidden worksheets, unhiding them one by one might be very time consuming. For that, you have the VBA code method. Now, carefully watch, I'm gonna show you 4 different codes for 4 different purposes. First one, to unhide all sheets in Excel. Now, open the Visual Basic window by clicking Alt F11 or go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. On the left panel, right click on this workbook and go to the Insert, then Module. Now paste the code here and press F5 to run the code. Close the window and see all the hidden sheets are visible now. The second code works just like the first one. The difference is that upon completion, it shows a dialog box informing the user how many sheets have been hidden. If you want to use this code, just copy the second code from the description box and paste it as I have shown before. If you would rather not unhide all worksheets at once, but only those you want, you can customize that. Repeat the process to open the Visual Basic window and the module. Now copy the third VBA code in the description box, then paste here and close the window. Now go to the macros by pressing Alt F8, or you can just click on macros from the Developer tab in the code group. Here a new macro has been added with the previous one, which is unhide selected sheets. Select this and click on Run. You will see dialog boxes asking for permission to unhide one by one. If you select Yes, the sheet will be visible. And if you select No, the sheets will be kept hidden. Unhiding them one by one may be stressful for large numbers of worksheets. So you can use code to unhide with the sheet names. For that, use the fourth code given in the description box. Copy the code and paste in the module. Now close the window, go to the macros, and you will see there's another macro added with the name Unhide Sheets by name. Select the macro and click on Run. Here's the output. All you need is to put the name of your desired worksheet and click OK. One worksheet containing sheet 4 have been unhidden. Here is sheet 4. So that was all the methods. Hope this video was useful. Hit a like and subscribe.